to Wellington. For your own safety and the safety of others around you, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft has come to a complete stop outside the terminal. Today we will be using the forward and rear left-hand doors to disembark. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it off flight mode, however your seatbelt must remain fastened. For those passengers leaving the rear of the aircraft, you will be descending via stairs today. Please refrain from using your mobile phone as you walk across the tarmac. You can use your devices once you are inside the terminal building. A reminder that you must not smoke, and please hold on to the handrail as you descend the stairs and follow the directions of our JetStar ground staff. Please take care as you open the overhead lockers as bags do move during the flight, and now is the perfect time to check around you and in your seat pocket for anything you do not wish to leave behind. Finally, on behalf of your Captain Craig, First Officer Alex, and your crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with JetStar. It's been a pleasure having you on board with us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time you choose to fly. On that note, when you start planning your next trip, visit jetstar.com. If Wellington is home, welcome home. If you're here for business or leisure, we wish you a safe and pleasant stay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Thank you and good morning.